A first alert on this Wednesday. We will hold on to gusty winds today, and during the afternoon there could be some gusts up around 35 or 40 miles per hour. Still some mild temperatures for us today with a southwest breeze most of the day. We see the winds shift around to more of a west and northwesterly direction this evening, and the winds will start to die down a little bit at that time as well. So we have still those mild readings today, but not like yesterday where we had the sunshine. We're going to be dealing with some on and off rain today. A cold front moves through late afternoon or early evening, and behind that front our temperatures will start to tumble. Here is a look at the hour-by-hour forecast showing some on and off rain throughout the day today. Here is what we are anticipating at 5 p.m. and while the cold front just to our west at 5 o'clock this evening. Now once that front goes by, we see the winds a little later in the evening shift to the west and eventually around to the northwest. And again, the gusty conditions will die down a little bit. During the day tomorrow, highs will be in the 50s. We have clouds, sun, and at times a few rain showers are possible on Thursday. Most of us picked up anywhere from a tenth to a quarter of an inch of rain last night. Our predicted rainfall through 8 o'clock this evening, an additional quarter, maybe half an inch of rain for many of us. Our forecast for today is calling for some on and off rain showers. It is a windy day, high temperatures mid to upper 60s. Now for tonight we have some rain showers around. That'll mainly be during the evening. Our low tonight 44 degrees. Tomorrow scattered showers, high temperatures low to mid 50s. Really readings just do not move a lot throughout the day. Couple of on and off showers Friday and Saturday with highs in the 50s. Right now Sunday looks dry. Monday the chance of showers, a high of 44. Notice highs are in the 40s Tuesday and Wednesday of next week as well.